Welcome back to our channel, where we help you unlock your potential and make money doing what you love. In today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of live streaming and explore different strategies to monetize your live streams. So, whether you're a gamer, artist, musician, or just passionate about sharing your knowledge, stick around because we're about to show you how to turn your live streams into a lucrative income stream. Let's get started. Choosing the right platform. The first step to earning money from live streaming is to select the right platform. While there are many options available, some of the most popular platforms for live streaming include Twitch, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, and Instagram Live. Consider your target audience and the features each platform offers before making your choice. Building your audience. Building a loyal and engaged audience is essential for monetizing your live streams. Here are a few tips to grow your viewership. Consistency is key. Establish a regular streaming schedule to let your audience know when to expect your content. Interact with your viewers. Engage with your audience through chat, answer questions, and make them feel involved. Promote your streams. Utilize social media, your website, or other online communities to promote your upcoming streams and attract new viewers. Monetization options. Now that you've built your audience, it's time to explore different ways to monetize your live streams. Let's take a look at some popular options. Ad revenue. Platforms like YouTube and Twitch offer ad revenue sharing programs. Once you meet their requirements, you can earn money from ads shown during your live streams. Subscriptions and memberships. Platforms like Twitch allow viewers to subscribe to your channel for exclusive benefits. Offer perks such as emotes, badges, and access to subscriber-only content. Donations and tips. Many viewers are willing to support their favorite creators by making voluntary donations or tips during live streams. Set up a donation link or utilize platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. Sponsorships and partnerships. As your channel grows, you may attract sponsorships and brand partnerships. Collaborating with relevant brands can bring in additional income through sponsored content or product promotions. Creating compelling content. To attract and retain viewers, it's crucial to create high-quality and engaging content. Here are some tips to keep your live streams exciting. Plan your streams. Outline a structure or theme for each stream, ensuring a clear purpose and goals. Use high-quality equipment. Invest in a good microphone, camera, and lighting setup to enhance the production value of your streams. Interaction and engagement. Encourage your viewers to participate by asking questions, conducting polls, or playing interactive games during your stream. Collaboration. Consider collaborating with other creators to tap into their audience and bring fresh perspectives to your live streams. Additional revenue streams. In addition to monetizing your live streams, you can explore additional revenue streams to maximize your earnings. Some options include merchandise. Create and sell branded merchandise like t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs featuring your logo or catchphrases. Online courses and workshops. Leverage your expertise by offering paid online courses or workshops related to your content niche. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate links, earning a commission for each sale made through your referrals. Brand collaborations. Reach out to brands relevant to your content and audience to negotiate sponsored content deals beyond your live streams. Congratulations! You now have a comprehensive understanding of how to earn money from live streaming. Remember, building a successful live streaming career takes time and dedication, so stay consistent, engage with your audience, and continuously improve your content. We hope this guide has provided valuable insights and inspired you to start monetizing your live streams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Until next time, happy streaming and happy earning.